What's going on, everybody? It's your Uncle T with Tabasco Bugles. I always get really excited when a new flavor of these come out. You don't really see that very often, so let's do it. I've done enough bugle videos. You guys already know I can't put my fingers in these. They'll shatter every one of them, so I'll just try some, I guess. Now let's see how hot they are. All right. They do have quite the kick to them. Now, I can't stop eating them. New favorite. Crushed the bag. Chilling at 7-Eleven, grabbing a drink. Not bad. Really good. 10 out of 10. Grab a bag.